Okay, now let us discuss the multiplication of radicals. So, ganito po yung format pag multiplication of radicals. Ang pinagmumultiply lang dito is yung may same radicand, yung may same index. Okay po, kahit hindi same ng radicand, okay lang. Yung may same index lang. So, pagka pinagmultiply mo yan, nth root of A times nth root of B, pag didikitin mo lang, so ganyan po yung format niyan. So, kapag may number, magigets nyo. Let us have an example pag number na. So first we have 3 square root of 2 times square root of 9. So now, pag multiply natin yung dalawang radicand, may radical sign since parehas naman sila ng index na 2. So let's copy the 3 and then square root of 2 times square root of 9, that is square root of 18. And now, simplify natin to. Square root of 18 can be written as 9 times 2. Ito lang din yon. And then, square root of 9, that is 3. So, labas natin. And then, square root of 2, hindi na masisimplify. So, just copy. And then, 3 times 3, that is 9. And then, square root of 2. Ayan na po yung sagot. So, alam ko na pwede rin naman na i-simplify ito kasi may square root of 9 pwede nang ilabas. So, ito yung another way. So, square root of 9, copy natin to. Square root of 9, that is 3. And then, pag multiply natin, 3 times 3, that is 9. And then, copy the square root of 2. So, same lang din sila. Kasi kaya ako pinag-multiply kasi yung pinag-uusapan natin is multiplication of radicals. So, let us have an example pa. So, next example, you have square root of 6 times square root of 2 plus square root of 4. So, ang gagawin natin dito is distributive property. So, di-distribute natin tong square root of 6 sa kanilang dalawa. So, square root of 6 times square root of 2, that is square root of 12. And square root of 6 times square root of 4, that is square root of 24. Okay po. Now, i-simplify natin to. So, iisip tayo ng factors ng 12 and 24 na yung isang number is perfect square. Opo, so ito, pwede natin isulat to as 4 times 3 kasi 4 is a perfect square and 4 times 3 is 12. And ito naman, pwede natin isulat as 4 times 6 kasi 4 times 6 is 24 and 4 is a perfect square. So, ngayon, ilabas na natin na square root of 4, that is 2. And then, copy the square root of 3 plus. Square root of 4 is 2. And then, copy the square root of 6. Hindi naman na mapapag-add kasi hindi naman sila same radicand. So, this is now our final answer. Okay, so ngayon, magmumultiply tayo ng hindi magkaparehas ng index. So, ita-transform na natin muna to into rational exponent. So, na-discuss ko sa inyo yon. So, itong square root of 2, pag transform into rational exponent, that is 2. And then, yung numerator niya, yung power, so 1, all over. Pag wala kayong nakita dito na index, that is may imaginary 2. And then, dito naman, copy the radicand and then yung numerator natin, yung power 1, all over, yung index natin yung denominator which is 3. Okay po. So now, focus tayo sa exponent which is fraction yan, that is rational exponent. So we have 1 all over 2 and then 1 over 3. So, kukunin mo yung LCD ng 2 and 3 and that is 6. So, paano nakuha? Magka-counting by 2 lang kayo and counting by 3. Kung ano yung magkamukha na mababa, ayun yung LCD. So now, 6 divides 3. 6 divides 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. And then 6 divided 2 is 3 times 1 is 3. And then pag isa nyo lang, we have 3 over 6 and 2 over 6. So ito yung ilalagay nyo dito. So yung 3 over 6, ito yung power niya. So we have 3 over 6 times, dito naman, we have 2 over 6. Now, ito na, ita-transform na natin to into radical expression. So, we have square root of 2 And then yung index niya is 6. So, sorry, 6 root pala to, 6. 6. And then yung power niya is 3. And then, transform natin to 2. Index niya is 6. And then, yung kanyang power is 2. So, now, they are now same index na 6. So, focus na tayo. 2 square root, 6 root of 2 square root of 3 times 6 root of 2 squared. So, kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng power, pinag-a-add lang natin. So, we have 6 root of 3 plus 2, that is 5. And 2 raised to 5, that is 32. So, 6 root of 32 is our final answer. Okay po. So, yan. Kapag nag-multiply kayo ng hindi parehas yung index, you're going to transform first into rational exponent. Focus kayo sa exponent, kunin nyo yung LCD, and then, tatransform nyo ulit into radical expression. Dapat parehas na sila ng index. And then, pag-add nyo yung exponent, 3 plus 2, that is 5. And 2 raised to 5, pwede pa ma-simplify as 32. So, 6 root of 32 is the final answer. So, next topic is division of radicals. And thank you.